In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and access Sound and Touch. Following that, tap on Touch section at the top and click on this switcher next to haptic feedback to turn it on or off. If you decide to enable response to gestures and system controls, you can also adjust intensity of it by swiping left or right on haptic feedback level slider. When you're ready, you can click on Sound at the top, scroll all the way down, and click on this switcher next to Vibrate for calls. This way, you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Lastly, click on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!